Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do the bobble stitch for the nose of the moose. So this is a bobble stitch 3. We're gonna yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2. So you should have 2 loops on your hook. We're gonna do that 2 more times. So yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then you're gonna yarn over and just go through the first 2 loops. So now you should have 3 loops on your hook. And one more time. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, just go through the first 2. To ensure you've done a bobble stitch correctly, you're gonna have 1 extra loop on your hook than you do for the bobble stitch calls for. So this is a 3 bobble stitch. We have 4 loops on our hook. Now we're gonna yarn over and pull through all of those. And then you're gonna go ahead and go into your next stitch. Make sure you're going into the next one. So here we're gonna do 4 stitches between our next bobble. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do our second bobble stitch now. So we're gonna repeat that all over again. So you're gonna yarn over, push through, yarn over, pull up a loop, go through just those first 2 loops. 2 more times. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops. One more time. So we've got those 4 loops on our hook. So we're gonna yarn over and pull through all of them. Now we're gonna go ahead and just from the inside, we're gonna push these out. And that's gonna give you that nostril shape.